I thought Pollo AI was just another AI video tool. Seriously, when I first saw it, I assumed it was going to be the same story I've seen 100 times before. Upload something, generate something, watch the AI do its thing, move on. But after spending a few days testing it, I realized there was something nobody was really talking about. And honestly, that's what surprised me the most. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to get started. No complicated setup, no huge learning curve. Within a few minutes, I was already generating videos and testing different ideas. That's important because a lot of AI tools look powerful but feel exhausting to use. Pollo AI felt simple, and simplicity matters. The second thing I tested was video quality. Now let's be honest, this is where most AI video tools live or die, because nobody cares how many features you have if the final output looks bad. Some of the results were surprisingly good, especially when the prompts were detailed. The more context I gave the AI, the better the videos became. That's something a lot of people miss. They blame the tool when the real problem is the prompt. Then I started experimenting with different use cases, short form content, social media clips, marketing concepts, UGC style ideas, creative storytelling, and this is where Pollo AI became more interesting. Not because every video was perfect, because I could test ideas quickly, really quickly. Normally, creating visual concepts takes time. With Pollo AI, I could go from idea to video in minutes. That's a huge advantage if you're a creator, freelancer, agency owner, or marketer. Now, here's the thing nobody tells you. The biggest value isn't the video generation, it's the idea validation. Most people think AI video tools are replacing video production. I don't think that's what's happening. I think they're replacing the early stages of experimentation. You can test 10 concepts before spending money on one. That's powerful. Of course, it's not perfect. Some generations still need work, some clips look incredible, others miss the mark completely. That's just the reality of AI video right now. And if you're expecting Hollywood quality results every single time, you're probably going to be disappointed. But that's a wrong expectation. The real question is whether Pollo AI helps you create faster. For me, the answer was yes. By the end of testing, I wasn't using it because it generated perfect videos. I was using it because it generated possibilities. And that's a much bigger advantage than most people realize. So is Pollo AI worth trying? Honestly, if you're creating content, testing ad ideas, building a brand, or experimenting with video concepts, I think it's worth a look. Just don't expect magic, expect speed, and that's where the real value is hiding. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.